we were not treated fairly. We were accused, we are playing to the gallery. As a result of the accusations and indictment that we are playing to the gallery, what effectively ended up being glossed over is the question of is a question of our own submissions. And my lord, the basis, and therefore the accusation, and we are saying we were not treated in a temperate and judicious manner. The petitioners and their advocates. Then, my lord, we go to the deciding for purposes of yesterday, the core issue. My lord, the core issue in our petitions, a number of them when it comes, would be the question, does the Iebc have the power to have authorized the president to say that he did it? I'm saying it is in our petition. I'm saying one of the issues that will be coming in for determination would...
I think it's important to just help you understand. We are not having the substantive application. It's a recusal. Let him stick.
My lord, I'm aware. Let him hear the issue and the answers. My lord,
just do the right thing.
My lord, the point I was making is this. One of the questions, I want to tie it with 165. And the question is this. The question that will be arising is whether the Iebc without commissioners could have declared Honorable Kindiki to be suitable for this nomination in the letter they did to the president. My lord, that particular issue is significant because the petitioners are saying that this court, having effectively read Article 165(4) in a manner that amounts to amendment of Article 165(4), they perceive the real danger that when a more important question arises, the same logic would be applied against them. And they are saying, this being a very serious legal issues, the bench cannot decide that for purposes of the issues actually in contention, that people can be oblivious of such an issue. I need like 2 or 3 minutes. My lord, having said that, therefore, it is our submission. And as our honorable are saying, nobody extracts and enjoys this kind of an application because judges are legal for it. But my lord, the point that we also want to add for purposes of this application, and this is contained, I believe, in the affidavit of my clients, is of course to point out to the issue. But the Honorable the Deputy President, regarding Gachagua, by a letter dated 23rd of October 2024, did file a complaint against all your lordships, and this complaint was acknowledged by the Judicial Service Commission that it has been received. Then there is an issue that required disclosure. According to the petitioners, I wasn't even aware of this, I saw it today. According to the petitioners, is that there is a very close relationship between one of your lordships, the Honorable Judge Murima, and the Speaker of the National Assembly, who is the Speaker of the Senate, who is a member of here. That close relationship, according to the petitioners, is one that ought to have been disclosed so that parties could be able to make up their mind. Is that are you comfortable? And we do that every day. I've actually not proceeded in a number of matters for some of the judges who are my classmates, saying, keep your things, you are close, you are friends, are you comfortable? That question ought to have been raised. That issue was not raised, and as a result of that issues not having been raised and now having come to public notice, the petitioners are of the view that it would not be proper to be able to proceed in this matter. But in conclusion, what I would like to add...
Before my that concludes, I want you to be a minute. Could he please, to assist us to set out the nature of that relationship and where it is expounded in the affidavit?
Well, I know that I thought that can actually come during the response, as I said.
No. The duty, the burden of establishing facts is on the person pleading the facts. So we want to know that relationship so that we can respond to it.
Yes, my lord. I have no problem whatsoever. There is a written affidavit. My lord, in paragraph 6 of the supplementary affidavit, it reads as follows: whereas I was not aware about the relationship between the Honorable Justice Rima, who is among the three judges handling this matter, and the fourth respondent, that is Kingi, it has been brought to my attention that the Honorable Judge and the fourth respondent, Speaker of the Senate,